Let me show you how to transform your plain belly dance dress into a high-end expensive look. The best part is, this only cost me $20. Hi everyone, it's Mom from Sparkly Belly. So let me show you how you can achieve this look in 4 easy steps. Let's get started.
So what are mirror tiles? They're these plastic mirrors. Because these are plastic, they're super light and you don't have to worry about dropping and breaking them, which is perfect for a dance outfit embellishments. Each one comes with little holes so you can sew them onto your garment. They're available in many colors, shapes, and sizes now, and you can find simple circles and squares, but what costume designers are doing recently is to mix all these shapes. As you can see on these dresses, using different shapes of mirror tiles creates a fun, fashionable feel, and it's super easy to recreate the look, which you'll see in a minute. By the way, if you want to make belly dance dresses like these, check out Sparkly Belly's All Access membership. In All Access membership, you can access all my 18 courses with over 30 designs available, and these 2 brand new designs will be added this month. You can create all of them to fit your unique measurements and budget. If you're curious, check out the link in the description. So where can you buy these mirror tiles? You can find them in usual places like Amazon and AliExpress. Search Sew On Mirrors. I'll include links to places where I bought mine. So let's start applying mirror tiles to a dress. Step 1. Remove the protective film. Usually these mirror tiles come with protective film. Remove it from a corner for each one. Step 2. Plan the placement of the mirror tiles. So we're going to plan the placement, but first it's helpful to have a piece of cardboard wrapped in plastic wrap under the fabric since we're going to use glue in a minute. Then place the mirror tiles on your dress and plan out how you want to place your mirror tiles. If you need, you can use pins to keep the mirror tiles in place. For this one, I mixed different shapes of mirror tiles as well as some rhinestones, so I placed them all randomly in different sections. Step 3. Glue on the mirror tiles. At this point, you can go ahead and sew on the tiles, but the tiles can shift easily as you try to sew. So I like to use glue like gem tack and glue each tile on the dress. And let the glue dry for a little while so the tiles don't fall off when you pick up the dress. Until the glue dries, you can still move the tiles slightly to make minor adjustments. Step 4. Sew on the mirror tiles. Take a double-threaded needle and hand sew each piece. Match the color of your thread with the color of your dress. I'm using a double-threaded needle here and going through each hole once or twice so each piece is firmly secured. And bonus step, glue on small rhinestones. Once the mirror tiles are sewn on, it already looks nice, but I like to fill the spaces between the mirror tiles with small flat back rhinestones. Using the same gem tack glue, I glued on small rhinestones to add another layer of sparkles to this dress. So how many mirror tiles will you need for your project? To decorate this pink dress, as you can see, I basically framed the entire neckline and the side cutouts with mirror tiles. And I ordered 240 pieces of mirror tiles for this project, and I didn't use them all. And that cost me $20. I filled spaces in between mirror tiles with small rhinestones, which I had on hand already, but if you don't, you can get them for another $5 or so. Again, I'll include the link to where I got these stones down below as well. And this dress is complete! Look at the transformation. The dress with mirror tiles looks way more professional and expensive, but as you saw, the process was super easy and beginner friendly and quite budget friendly too.
So try these mirror tiles on your next outfit and let me know how it goes. And if you're looking for more easy embellishment ideas, have a look at my sparkly fabric fringe. This is another beautiful, trendy look. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling.